Silent Walk Through Nature, written by Amani Abedira. I took a deep sigh before I explored to make my inner core calm. Am I ready? Breeze brought some healing feeling to my soul. Gravel paths, sand paths taught me the lessons about the roughness and smoothness. Chirps of drungus reminded me a funny story told by my granny. Drungus can speak 7 languages. I'm not sure. But I know they imitate cats' talk. Thorns of bushes, hairs of nettles made my bare foot bleeding and scratching. I met a stranger on my way. He whispered, "What nonsense! Why are you on barefoot?" No word came to my philosophical tongue, but I had a sophisticated thought about wearing artificial things for my nature expedition. The stranger gave a slight smile and said in a deep voice, "You are still not naked. You are still not naked."